up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this beautiful cranberry colored 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe up for sale today. We're gonna go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before it shows up at your doorstep. We offer shipping all over the US and internationally. Before we get started, I need you to hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars. We get new stuff in every single day. Mustangs, Corvettes, Chevelles, Mopar. Please hit the subscribe button right now. Let's go ahead and get started. 1966 Ford Mustang. It's powered by a 289 V8 automatic transmission. This is a non-power steering, manual brake. No thrills, just power, ready to go. It's a solid looker, but it's no show car. The paint does have flaws. Sounds good. Startup, we'll get to at the end. We'll start off with the exterior condition. We'll start off with this driver's side quarter panel. Driver's side quarter panel has no visible flaws, a little imperfections in the paint. As you can see my reflection in it pretty good. The paint shines well. Got a little bit of fish eyes right there. A little dirt in the paint whenever it was painted. It's got wide rear tires. I don't know if you could see the stance, but you got a wide rear tire back there and smaller tires up front. So it kind of gives it a drag look. I like the way it looks. These tires will need to be replaced. They are dry rotted out. It's got Weld Racing wheels. Go to the bottom of the quarter. Bottom of the quarter does have a, looks like a bubble right there. And it's got some sand marks in it. The roof looks good. I don't see any visible damage. A little bit of flaws in the paint. It could be dirt. Looks like it's dirt. I don't see any major flaws on the roof. We'll move to this door. Door looks good. A little ding right there. The rest of the door is good. I don't see any bubbling except for one little spot right there. Moving on to the fender. Fender looks good. This trim is loose right here. And this tire looks to be fine. I don't see any dry rot on this front tire. So back tire needs to be replaced. Front tire's not so bad. The hood propped up a little bit on here. It's not terrible, the body line. I've seen worse, but I've also seen better. You got a ding over here on the hood, right over here. It's got this cool hood scoop. Got a little bit of gook in here, in the O in Ford. The chrome has some wear on it. It's not perfect chrome, but it looks good. This is a solid looker from 5 feet away, 4 feet away. You get up on it, and if you have the trained eye, you can tell that it's been painted, and they didn't do like a fantastic job on it, but it's not bad. It's a good, cheap Mustang that sounds good, that looks good. It doesn't look like it has any major flaws in it. Now, I know my car guys are gonna see this and tear it apart and say, hey, the paint's not great on it, but most normal people, if you wanna get into the hobby and you're looking for a cheap Mustang, this is it. You get what you pay for. This one's cheap. Okay, so going back to this tire. Tire's in perfect condition. Wheels good. They look like new tires on the front. So you're good with your front tires. It's just gonna be the rear tires you're gonna replace. And we'll look on this side, see if this one was already replaced. You got some waving here. It looks like, I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but it does have waves in the paint on this side. Besides that, I don't see any visible flaws on this door. You got a little flaw here. You got some cracking in the paint there. A little bit of cracking here. A little bit here. Now this tire looks like it's new. There's no dry rot, so just that side needs to be replaced. You do have some bubbling starting here a little bit. and a little bit here. The price is in the listing. If you see the headline, you'll see the price. If not, it'll say sold if it's already sold. Back bumper's in better condition than the rear bumper. Looks like we have some overspray here whenever it was painted. This will come right off. And we're back on this side. Let's take a look underneath the car, kind of see how the condition is. Okay, I don't see any major rust. I do see, it looks like seam sealer was used here at some point and it was painted over. And it looks like this frame rail's got a little dent in it and a little bit of rust right here. It looks like it's not horrible, but it's starting on this rail. Up here it looks good. Suspension looks good. But the rest of it all here looks really good. Looks clean. I don't see any holes or anything. Let's take a look on the other side. Other side looks even better. Oh, this looks like it was patched in. They didn't do a great job. Looks like, I don't know, they used some kind of seam sealer or something. If it had rust, I don't know if they were trying to cover it or what, but it's all solid. I don't see anything flaking or anything. So for the most part, the undercarriage seems to be clean, except for on both sides they use some kind of sealant, but it's all solid. No flaking or anything, which is good. All right, so here's the trunk. Quarters look good. We got this weird velvet mat. You got a nice little amp here. Batteries in the back. And we got that amp because we got 4 Pioneer speakers back here. So this thing you can jam if you want a Mustang where you can cruise and jam at the same time. Let's look under the hood, check out the engine. It's your basic 289. This is a T code. If you didn't notice, it's 4 lug, so it's originally a 6-cylinder car. But it's got a V8 in it now. Front frame rails look good. This has got like a little baby little crack there. This side is perfect. And it looks like this is the original color, was a red, a bright red. We'll go ahead and fire it up, guys, and we'll look on the inside. If you like this review of this car and our in-depth detail, please hit that like button. Also, leave me a comment right now. I've been trying to get a lot of comments and I want your guys' feedback. Do you like the reviews? Do you like test drives? I don't do test drives for every single car because I need somebody else with me. But I can start making that happen and start paying somebody to come with me. If you guys like it, please leave me a comment. Rob, we want test drives. We got a Pioneer radio. A little cut in the seat here. Headliner's coming down in the back a little bit. Top is good. Got this aftermarket steering wheel. And I'm pretty sure the gauges do not work. Also got this weird key set up. Sounds real good. Definitely sounds like the engine's had work done to it. It's beefy. Guys, up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. My number is 215-801-9493. You'll reach no salespeople. You'll deal with me directly, or you'll deal with my son, Chris. Give us a call today. Appreciate you checking out our page. If you like our videos, please leave me a comment. If you want to see test drives, please type in, please, let's see test drive drop. The more comments I get, I will start making that happen. I appreciate you guys checking us out. We're working hard. We're growing right now. We're buying a lot of cars, guys. I really want to thank all my fans for the support. We get a ton of views every month. Thank you, and God bless you. Take care, guys.